Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular smartphone gimbals, the AOCHUAN XPRO and the L7C Pro. Both gimbals are designed to enhance your mobile videography experience, but they come with different features and price points. Let's explore what each has to offer and help you decide which one is right for you. The AOCHUAN XPRO features an OLED display that provides clear feedback and enhances user experience. In contrast, the L7C Pro does not include a display, which may limit its usability for some users. The OLED display on the AOCHUAN XPRO allows for easy monitoring of settings and battery life, making it a standout feature for those who value detailed feedback during filming. When it comes to tracking, the AOCHUAN XPRO relies on face tracking technology, which is effective but may not be as versatile as the magnetic AI tracking found in the L7C Pro. The L7C Pro's AI tracking allows for seamless movement and adjustment, making it a great choice for dynamic filming environments. This feature is particularly beneficial for vloggers and content creators who need to capture fast-paced action. In terms of pricing, the AOCHUAN XPRO is priced at $115, while the L7C Pro comes in at a more affordable $99. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential features. The L7C Pro offers great value for its price, making it an attractive choice for beginner videographers. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN XPRO and the L7C Pro have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The AOCHUAN XPRO excels with its OLED display and longer battery life, while the L7C Pro offers magnetic AI tracking and a lower price point. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either gimbal could be the perfect fit for your mobile videography. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.